Hello friends, welcome to Maths Epic Tube. I am Vivek and today's topic is rotation. In previous classes we learned about translation and next is rotation. So let's start the video. Rotation is what? Rotation, transformation, a, trans, a transformation of the type of the type which is omega equal to z into e to the power iota alpha, where alpha belongs to R, is called rotation. So we see the rotation is the transformation of the type omega equal to z into e to the power iota alpha, where alpha is the real number, is called rotation. Now see the another one example which is related to rotation. Now we assume that question which is related to rotation. So we have given that if omega equal to e to the power iota pi upon 4 into z, then find the region in omega plane correspond to triangular region bounded by the lines x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 1 in z plane. So in first we write which is given in the question, given transformation. We have given that transformation omega equal to e to the power I pi upon 4 into z. Let us assume that this is equation first. Now then we are to find out region of equation first in omega plane. Corresponding to triangular region where we have given x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 1 in z plane. Now we can solve it. We know z equal to x plus iy and omega equal to u plus iv. So we put our value in equation first, then we get equation first is omega equal to e to the power I pi upon 4 into z. So equation becomes omega value u plus iv e to the power I pi upon 4, z value x plus iy. So we know the formula of e to the power I theta, his value is cos 45 degree plus iota sin 45 degree into x plus iy. So u plus iv equal to cos 45 degree value is 1 upon under root 2 plus iota sin 45 degree 1 upon under root 2. Then we multiply x plus iota y in whole this. Now we get u plus iv equal to x upon under root 2 plus iota x upon under root 2 plus iota y upon under root 2 minus y upon under root 2. Now we separate this imaginary real and imaginary part. So we get x minus y upon under root 2 plus iota x plus y upon under root 2. This is the real number and this is the imaginary number. So we find out u value x minus y upon under root 2 and v value x plus y upon under root 2. Now in the question it is given that some points when x is equal to 0, then then u equal to x equal to 0, then u equal to minus u upon under root 2, and v value is y upon under root 2. Thus the line x is equal to 0 maps v equal to minus u, because the value is same, u value and v value is same, or because of minus y upon under root 2, y upon under root 2 is same, so we can write u equal to minus u, because this is minus, this is minus. So another one is when y equal to 0, then u equal to x upon under root 2 and v equal to x upon under root 2. Here u and v both are same, thus the line y equal to 0 maps, it is maps v equal to u, both value are same, and x plus y equal to 1, which maps v equal to 1 upon under root 2. Now we get the value v equal to minus u, u equal to v equal to 1 upon under root 2. Now we plot this value in the graph. So now we plot diagram. This is the region where y equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y line, x line 0. This is x plus y equal to 1, and this is the line v equal to 1 upon 2, v equal to u, v equal to minus u, u equal to 0, this is v, this is u, v equal to 0, 0, z plane, this is omega plane. So thus the triangular region in z plane maps the triangular region in omega plane maps because of rotation. So I hope you understand this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.